Good morning you guys, it's Karen and I'm here to do an ingredient spotlight on collagen. This will be a pretty quick video because collagen is one of those interesting topical products that is not really doable. It's not something currently that is possible to use in skincare, and you can't put collagen on your skin and it have any effect. That may well be about to change. Somebody told me one brand had managed to find a way to get collagen in. I'm assuming it's nanoparticles, because the problem with collagen is that the particles are too big. But even then, I would want I want a few years to pass and for them to look at that, because there are lots of other proven ways of getting your skin to produce collagen. So collagen is kind of the foundation of our skin. It works with elastin to give the skin bounce. So it's what gives it that kind of youthful, plump appearance. By the way, just thinking of that, it reminds me, in my Bakuchiol update, a lot of you said, you agreed with me, you couldn't see a difference in the before and after pictures, but that my skin looked plumper in the after pictures. I can confirm that that is not from Bakuchiol, that's from me putting on weight. I put it on my face. So yeah, just to clear that up, just while I was thinking about it. But yeah, that's what protein is. That's what collagen is. It is a protein and it is the kind of foundation of our skin. But obviously it, like everything else, declines as we get older. I think it starts in your early 30s. You start to lose collagen. And collagen that is used in, supplements and skincare can be plant-based collagen, which doesn't have the evidence behind it, but is, it's a fairly decent product in terms of moisturizing, but it's not going to work as a collagen, as a human collagen. But you also have animal-based collagen. But like I say, it's just not, there is no evidence at all to show that it works topically. In fact, there is evidence to show it doesn't work topically. It's not even one where it needs to have a clinical trial to test whether or not there's any results, because it just doesn't get into the skin. It just doesn't get where it needs to be. Interestingly, there has been a couple of studies done on taking collagen supplements, and that has showed it does increase collagen. So it's something I would be quite interested to have a look into. Actually, I need to have a think about taking some collagen, but I've been focusing on other supplements for my knees and whatnot. So all is not lost, because there are already proven ways that you can help your skin synthesize collagen, and they are by using retinoid would be the number one. So using retinol or tretinoin, something in the retinoid group that will help your skin produce collagen. Number two would be vitamin C. And number three would be peptides, specifically matrixyl, I think has been looked at quite extensively. So retinol, tretinoin, vitamin C and peptides. If you can fit any or all of those into your routine, there's more evidence behind those to say that they help your skin produce collagen than collagen itself. Out of those, tretinoin would be the number one, with the most evidence, but it's obviously quite difficult for some of us to get. So you could go for retinol, which is just a weaker retinoid, and then vitamin C and peptides to a lesser extent. But if you can use all of them, I think that that's a really good routine. I'll link the other video I did on collagen, which was I think it was an Indeed Labs product that just said on it collagen. So I'll link that for you, but it's saying mostly the same as what I'm saying today. But I would personally avoid something that said collagen. Just concentrate on, like I said, if you can get a good retinoid product, would be my number one choice for you. Then find a really good vitamin C product that you get on with. And then if you want to add in peptides, that will probably help as well. And all of that together, I think, is your best bet. So I hope that was useful. Let me know your thoughts, and especially if you've been taking collagen supplements and you can feel any differences, let us know. Somebody mentioned, bless her, she said, she left a comment saying, Karen can't answer all the comments, and she's asking us for the comments because she wants our opinion as well. It was such a sweet comment. I am definitely asking for you guys to comment because I want to know your experiences, but also it's helpful to everybody. It's helpful to all of us, because not everybody's going to have the same experience as me. So I think it's really, really useful to hear what other people's experience is. So yeah, that's everything. I'll list all of my makeup in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon.